Okay, for science, we're going to start at the VES student homepage. If you already know how to get to Clever, some people are still used to using Clever badges, but since we're using Google Classroom, if your child is logged into Google Classroom on the computer and is logged in, at the top right you should see their icon. They should log into Clever automatically using the 3 to 5 login. This page will look different for every student. This is a student in my class, so they can see my page. If they clicked on my page, they would find my resources, but in any case, if you scroll down, the Clever apps that the district has in for your student are all here. You'll find Benchmark, where our reading is, FOSS Web, this is science, that's where we will be today, Wixie, which we are using, and Seesaw. So if you go back and go through Clever to FOSS and wait here, it is still logging in and spinning, so don't click anything. And it should have your child's name at the top out here. And if you click on my student page, it'll take you back to this same spot. You have access to all of these resources. Right now, we're going to be talking about sound and light, but you can click on any of those options to read them. There are tons of resources here that you and your child can explore. I'm going to go to the remote learning resources, and we're going to go to investigation 1. We're going to do part 1, investigation 1, part 1. Going to click on vibrations and sounds. It is going to open the ebook. Now I'm going to click back on the content. Okay, back to the student module. This is just the ebook. This is back to your student page that looks like this. This is just reading the book. Okay. So if I click on that, it's going to go to the sound and light book. Anywhere there is a sound icon, it will read to your child and you. Vibrations and sounds, you're going to talk about and read all of these pages. Talk about what you see, what you're thinking about. And we're going to stop here. Okay. Today we're going to stop here. There is one more page here about thinking about the sounds. We're going to be talking about more of that in the next lesson. But for now, it is reading the book. Now, going back to the content, these are different tabs at the top now because it opens in a new tab. There are sound cards. This is an online activity. Animals, instruments, and machines. And you can click on them and they will make a sound. And you can talk about what makes that sound. Now, the intention for this first part is that sounds are made with vibration. There is an activity you can do at home, and I'm going to demonstrate it in the next video and ask your child to make something that shows that sound is vibration and talk about what that means, how sound travels. I hope that helps.